how did I become the #1 pet product store on Etsy.com? And in fact, the second place only sells half the amount as I do. Want to know exactly how I did it? Well, in this video, I'm about to break the secret. Hi guys, my name is Vlad, and in this video, I wanted to share with you guys exactly what strategy do I use to become #1 seller for pet products on Etsy.com. It's a big platform, huge platform, and I was able to be #1 on that platform. The second place sells half the amount that I do. So how do I do it? Well, recently I've been looking into a lot of Instagram, growing my account, and I've realized that a lot of the techniques that they use growing the account, I've used on the Etsy platform. I've used that same idea because the algorithm is very similar in a lot of ways. So if you noticed a lot of videos on Instagram that you could probably watch if you're trying to grow your business, they talk about consistency, posting consistency. They talk about posting tags because you want to leave a big footprint, big digital footprint. Now I talk about this in my previous video, but I translate that footprint in terms of keyword library. Here's what I mean. When you have a large keyword library, you are able to reach a wide variety of people. Think of it this way. The internet is massive. The internet is huge. There's billions of people, trillions of people on the internet. And here's the thing. Have you ever had that where you're wanting ice cream and all of a sudden 5-10 minutes later you're thinking of sushi and you're like, actually I would really love sushi? Well, here's the thing about the internet. We have those kind of desires on the internet, but the thing about it, we can go to, like, say, oh, I want to watch a video of this kind of video. They type in that video and then like 5 minutes later, like, oh, I want to check out this. Our minds shift all the time. Imagine billions and trillions of people constantly shifting what they want on the internet, which means there's the amount of keywords that are being searched, or the varieties of keywords, is always shifting back and forth, and there's a large amount of keywords being put into search engines. Here's the thing, the larger your footprint is, the more noticeable you will be, the more people will see you. For example, let's say you're making embroidery pillows, or you're making printed pillows, or you sublimate a design on the pillows. Instead of just selling 1 or 2 pillows, have you ever thought of selling 1,000 different variations of those pillows? Think about, make yourself a goal that every single day of your life, you're gonna post a new pillow on your Etsy platform. You're gonna make, let's say, Christmas time. One day you're gonna make a Christmas tree design pillow. The next day you're gonna put out a Santa Claus pillow. Then you're gonna do an elf pillow. Then you're gonna do a reindeer pillow. And you're gonna just keep doing that. What that's gonna happen is, because people are thinking, some person in Indiana, some small town thinking, I'm doing a theme of Christmas tree. Let me see if I can buy a Christmas tree couch pillow, because I need that for my couch, right? And they're like, oh, this one person does it, right? And then they see on your store that you have thousands of different pillows, right? It's the same gosh dang pillow, but you've been adding new product every single day. You might even figure out how to Photoshop your listings, that way you don't have to actually make the pillow. If you have a strategy where you're growing your keyword library, you're leaving a really big footprint. You're leaving a really big footprint. I do that with my collars. I make my collars, the variety of my collars, I'm growing them, as fast as I can. I'm making all the different kinds of collars because I have the ability to manipulate the design that the collar can have, because I actually print my fabric and we sew those collars from scratch. And that gives me the leverage to create a big footprint. Think about it this way. When you have let's say a certain keyword that, let's say you're selling a reindeer flying, or let's just say like a unicorn pillow, a unicorn rainbow pillow. Let's just say somebody buys one pillow every 2 months. Very small amount, right? It's a very unique, very specific keyword. Well, here's the thing. If you have 10,000 of those, 10,000 of those, or let's just say 1,000 of those variations of keywords, well, that's already 500 orders a month, right? If you have a order every other month, we already have 500 orders a month. Who's to say that one of those or two of those or maybe even 10 of those keywords don't start ranking much higher than just every other month? Maybe they start ranking to a point where they're selling once a week. Well, now you have a whole other, whole other stream of traffic. And here's the other thing. Let's say they find that pillow, they might even just go on your store and buy other stuff. Now you're getting traffic to your store from places you never knew existed, because you don't have the capacity of thinking about all the keyword that could potentially reach your store. But just posting out many different listings, one listing every single day, find a way to Photoshop the different variations of your one same darn pillow. That will bring traffic from so many different places of that platform, of Etsy platform, or if you're selling on Amazon, or if you're even making an Instagram post, right? It's posting consistently. It's posting different variation, different tags, and that way you're getting those people from all those little areas of the internet. And the people that didn't find that keyword at one point, they're gonna shift in 5-10 minutes and they're gonna find you through those keywords. So posting many different keywords, many different listings, and not stopping, never stopping, posting on those platforms is going to really give you the leverage. And that's one of the things that really the downfall of people that do drop shipping, because they can only afford 1 or 2 products from China because there's a minimum order requirement. But if you as a creative, you have the ability to make the same product but in so many different variations, because you have the ability to redesign how it looks like and create a whole new keyword that the drop shippers could only dream about doing. Something becomes viral, some meme becomes viral, make that meme on a pillow, sell that pillow, right? Obviously you have to make sure you don't get into the branded stuff, be careful about that, but that's the idea that you want to focus on. Make lots of stuff with one darn product. And people don't know that you're making one darn product. They're looking for that specific product, that specific design on that specific pillow. And you could even change out polyester, cotton pillow, this and that pillow, embroidered vinyl, so on and so on. You can start making so many different variations, but it's one darn product. And that's what makes it very unique, is being able to have control over your product that you're making allows you to build that large keyword library. Hopefully this video was useful, so please subscribe, please like, and comment what product you're doing, and maybe I can suggest what variations you can look at and how you can really attack your own product and start making those sales, start getting that traffic that you always wanted. And so yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time.